What's up, y'all boys? Y'all know we back again. Slime Life Barter. Everybody want to talk that shit, but we back with another review. This time we got the Glock 19X with the Tlr HL-X and the Holosun 507C, and the Herrington Arms compensator HC95V2. So let's go ahead and get the review going. And yeah, let's see what we can hit. Got the 19X mags. Let's get it. And there is one bullet hole in the target already. That's it, no jams, nothing. Let's go see what we hit. All right, now larger spread, but not too shabby at all. Pretty good group right here. Yep, let me know what y'all think.